Hi guys, we're here from Prepare Camping and this is the quick release hitch. Pass the working end around your anchor point, such as this tree. Then form a loop in the working end and place it next to your static line. Pull a bight from the tail of the working end through this loop and dress it. Then simply pull on the standing line to cinch the knot snug to the anchor point. To release the knot, simply pull on the working end and it all unravels. It's highly unlikely that you're going to accidentally pull on this working end, but if you are a bit unsure about that and you want to make it a bit more secure, simply put a twig into the loop. Then you can cinch down on that and that'll stop it from going any further. Then to release, simply pull on that twig to loosen up the whole slip knot. Then you can pull out the twig and again it's one-handed release. So thanks very much for your time guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!